Wakera kiumia giki niro igeranio cia kirathi gia kanana KCPE ciambiriirie arutwo makeria ma milioni 1 makigerirwo ratiri-ini thutha wa mathomo ma miaka 8. Gutigirira arutwo acio mari na mwihoko ati maundu mothe ni mega ni mahetwo mwihoko ni anene a thirikari matongoretio ni President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta.
It's about you, yes, and you and your ability to do the best that you can, yeah, because that is going to be your future. Agreed? Yes. So we all promise to do our best. Yes. And we all promise that we will not be looking left and right. Yes. We just be looking at our own papers. Yes. Yes? Yes. Is that a promise? Yes. I'll be back here to see how you've all done.
Na magitiri ha thirikari de na matiganĩria tondu mwandiki munene ministry-ini ya waki Aida Munano auma hamwe na aria megũcerire cukuru wa Kiririshua.
And may God touch each one of you even right now, so any fear that is in you can get out. So you are the students in Kiririshua Primary School. Let me tell you something. You are very, very privileged.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Berio Kipsang akeria mwena wa Kakamega augite igeranio icio ni kwajiriria kurugwo o rimwe na maumirira kurekererio ona ihenya o uria kwahoteka.
What I can tell you is that the marking will start as soon as we are through, as soon as all the papers come back to Nairobi, which I know it will start moving from today and tomorrow to Nairobi. Then we shall immediately start the process. I want to tell you that we have invested in new technology this year. We have invested in new technology, we have invested in new equipment to ensure that the accuracy, the speed at which we shall be able to do our work will be better than any other time.
Igeranio cia KCSE nacio ni itanyitwo kwajiriria kiumia giukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ken wa Kuraya.